Alright, I'm at a brand new hotel, and here we have 3 Mainline air conditioners. This one has a Copeland scroll compressor. There's a really big one right here. It's got an ECM fan motor. Also has a Copeland scroll. From 2023, I think it's a 5-tone. I think that was a 4-tone from 2023, and then this one. I'll have to decode its data sheet. So. Here's 3 more. This one is super quiet, actually. I don't even know if the pressure's wrong on that. I don't think I'm going to be able to get a good shot of the data on any of these. There's a mini split up there. Confortotal. Running. And I can't get to the data. Alright. I guess over and out.